Today's recipe is chicken, rice and vegetables in the pan. Let's get into it. So I've got here 2 chicken breasts which are diced. You can go strips if you want to, but what I suggest doing with your chicken in order to get some flavor in there is to marinate it slightly. Now in terms of marinade, I'm gonna go very simple. I've got here 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And because the soy sauce is quite salty, we don't need to add any more salt. But what we need to add is a mixture of garlic and ginger. And I've got here a half-half mixture of garlic and ginger. And I know some people are put off by fish sauce, but I do believe that, adding just a dash of fish sauce will make quite a bit of a difference. I've got sesame oil. I'm going in with about a teaspoon. And now let's mix everything together. And I'm gonna be also adding just a few drops of lime juice. Now you can set this aside and move on to prepare the vegetables and the rest of the ingredients. Now I feel like this dish is a great way of clearing up the fridge of whichever vegetable leftovers you've got. And in this situation, we're gonna be using a combination of red peppers and yellow peppers. I've got here some sliced white onion, some carrots which are sliced, and also some moch dew. Now set the pan on medium-high heat. Ideally you want something quite deep like a wok. And if you don't have one around, I'm gonna leave a link, an affiliate link down below, which you can get one for yourself and just use it. It's so good in so many different recipes. Now when the pan is hot enough, we're gonna go in with about a tablespoon of sesame oil. When your chicken starts getting some color, you can remove it from the heat. And using exactly the same pan, we're adding a bit more oil and we're continuing with the vegetables. But together with the vegetables, I also want to add a teaspoon of the mixture of garlic and ginger. Now the plan is to saute these vegetables slightly for about 2-3 minutes. And because they are sliced quite thin, they don't require much cooking. So all you have to do is just make sure that they get some of that flavor from the garlic, from the sesame oil and from the ginger. Okay, so now we're going back in with the chicken. And I've got here some chicken stock. I'm going in with about 100 mils, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. Freshly ground black pepper, a good pinch. And I've got here some rice that I cooked already. It's totally up to you how much rice you add, but I do like to have a bit more vegetables than rice. Now let's mix everything together. Now the rice will start absorbing some of that sauce, so you don't need much cooking from here on. 2-3 minutes and you should be good to go. But we need to go in with some freshly chopped chilies, and I've got here some coriander that I'm gonna get in. Coriander in, mix everything again, and my friends, there you have it. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this, and I'll see you in the next one.